This is the best NZXT build in 2023. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, man, we got a NZXT build that I'm super excited about, and y'all gonna enjoy this one as well. We're gonna show you guys the components that we're using this build and also some gameplay benchmark numbers so you can see how well this PC performs. Let's start off with the case. This is the NZXT H510 Flow, the best airflow case that I would recommend. Keeps their components super cool, got some decent amount of space where air can go through. Overall, it's a good PC case, yeah. Oh, and you can find all the PC parts that we're using this build. Links will be down in the description for each and every one of them. Feel free to check them out if you're interested. Also, with this case, there are 9 or 10 available USB ports that can be used. Next up on the list right here is the motherboard, the NZXT N7B550, and then we have the water cooler, the NZXT Kraken Z6 III, 32 gigs of RAM, and for the CPU, AMD Ryzen 7 5800X 8 cores. And for the graphics card, it's a RTX 3060, and also for the power supply, it's a 750 watt gold power supply. And we got the Asia Horse. These are some white cables that we add because it's a black and white build, and we want some cables to be white and some cables to be black. Last but not least, no SSD because we use one from an old PC. So that cover everything on the spec side on everything that we're using this build. Unfortunately, we didn't get to do the gameplay benchmark numbers, so y'all gonna get that in a different video. So stay tuned and make sure y'all hit that like and subscribe button, and feel free to ask any questions down in the comment section, and see y'all in the next one. Peace.